Okay, so cool, my closet's empty, but my room, not necessarily thriving.
Here we go again.
Okay, where do I start? Hi, this is my closet. It's kind of a mess. I cleaned it back in March or the start of quarantine. It is such a big mess. I'm literally sitting in a pile of clothes. That's great. Okay, and there's just a lot of random things in my closet. I've been meaning to do this for a while, but since I'm finally on Thanksgiving break, I finally have the time for it. But because I know this is literally gonna take me 10 hours, we better just get started right now. So let's do this. Okay folks, I'm going to show you guys the before. It is absolutely the worst. Everything is everywhere and nothing really has a place. It's not extremely bad in the middle, but if you go to the top or the bottom, it doesn't make sense. There's like literally everything. It's pretty hard to close my closet doors at this point. It's just not a vibe. So that's what we're gonna change today. So the first step we're gonna do is I'm going to take everything out of this closet. We are going to have a fresh start and have absolutely nothing in here so we can start from the beginning. Plus, I just think it's kind of fun to just take everything out of my closet and make a mess. I feel like it looks even worse. I'm pretty sure the clothes hanging up were just hiding the huge mess that was there. That's so embarrassing. Look at what I got myself into. Literally so much more. I have so many hangers. Wow. Y'all are not ready for this. Okay, so cool, my closet's empty, but my room, not necessarily thriving. I cannot get over how bad this is. It's even worse in real life.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues, yeah. I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah. You know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm down when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. Really doesn't matter when I split, 'cause my heroes ain't making it past 26. Really doesn't matter if you know, when the masses with your actions, then you lose it soul. I'm hoping you say something. I keep on just feeling it's nothing. Wanna make you mine, something. These drugs don't really solve nothing. I'm hoping you say something. I keep on just feeling it's nothing. Wanna make you mine, something. These drugs don't really.
I never thought I'd say this, but say goodbye to the love sign. It's passing away. Okay, well that was very anticlimactic.
I hate the direction, get it, but I gotta go now.
Just thought I'd pop in here and say that I have literally so many of these little tissue things because I thought they were cool one day and I bought like a whole pack of them. I have not opened, let alone used one of these.
You say something, I keep on just feeling this.
Okay, after 6 hours, I am finally done cleaning my closet. I'm so proud of myself. I literally got rid of so much stuff that I even have like blank shelves in my closet. You can see the whole top shelf is pretty much empty, which before it was pretty much stuffed. And you can actually see the floor. That's crazy. But I bet a lot of you guys are wondering, where did all that stuff go? Well, unfortunately right here. I'm gonna go through it and put it in garbage bags to donate and throw away. So that shouldn't take me too long. Well guys, I think I'm gonna go eat because since I've been doing this for like 6+ hours, I haven't really taken a break to eat because I kept telling myself, oh, I just need to finish, which by the way, not healthy, would not recommend. But that is all I have for you guys. Since I spent literally so much effort into this video, it would mean a lot if you could go subscribe down below. We are trying to reach 25,000 by the end of the year, which sounds crazy, but I know we can do it. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!